Hello and good afternoon. Today we are working on the car in the front of the house for the weekend here. Today I'm doing a little bit of cleanup. I'm going to be polishing the headlights. And I found a product that works really well. It's boat and RV polish. Here, let's see what it does. Boom. That's the finish light. And this is what it looked like before. Just all fogged out. So I'm gonna give it a polish. This is the stuff I got. It's a high gloss polish for boats and RVs. Instructions are pretty simple. Just clean it first, apply it, and then wipe down. So let's get to it. As you can see, I did a little section right there. But it says there's like a sediment in here. That's what polishes it. It's like really fine grit. So we shake that up. And I'm just gonna dump some of this on here. It's gonna come out. It's like a thick mud. Boom. Boom, there it is. And then you just start vigorously rubbing this in. It's good to work one spot. And then work this. Kind of get that going first. Get it nice and clean. Boom. Spread it all around. Nice circles. Just nice relaxing circles. Cool. And you can see it's already starting to clean up. Man, this stuff has worked awesome. I bought those other kits for headlight polishing, and like you attach the drill to, and man, they just take forever. And they don't look as good. But I swear, marine and RV, this stuff is awesome. Polish. You can see just like in 2 minutes. I got the one where you attach it to the drill. Did not work very well. Just took forever. It's slowly taking a little bit of plastic off of it. I mean, that's what all polishes do. But this stuff, it's like one treatment, it's already 90% better. And I'll just do a second one to kind of get some more off. Boom. Check that out. Do a second coat here. Pour it up. There we go. Put a little bit of mud on there. I'm using a clean rag as well. And we'll just work it in there. Kind of work from this end. It's okay if you get a little on the paint. I don't think it's going to hurt it. On the final step, after working it a little while, use the clean part of your rag. This is an old t-shirt. Works great. And just really get all that polish off and worked in. You might have to do it 2 or 3 times, and if your lights are older, they might not clean up as well. If there's a lot of damage, it might take a little bit more, but check that out. Boom. Walk over here. This is my wife's car. I did this twice, and there's still a little bit of inconsistency. So, you know, this is a 2002 Jetta. And then I got the 07 Golf. So it's a couple years older, and the lights have taken a little bit more wear and tear. But yeah, I recommend this marine RV polish. $14. Works awesome. Don't use DEET. I don't think like the whole DEET thing or toothpaste. I use toothpaste. Worked like crap. Don't use toothpaste. This stuff, you saw 2 minutes of polishing. You're done. Done. Beautiful lights. Cool. Thanks for joining me. Let me know how it goes. And if you liked it, give it a like. Maybe share it with a friend who has some foggy lights. And subscribe. Thanks and good night.